So the Shack is a group that we created, all purely student run, just to make a change in our school community and make it a better place for students to come. Started back in 2021 as two different groups to do with sexual harassment and then period dignity, and we kind of noticed that the same people were going to the same groups. So
we like merged.
Yeah, we merged into one singular group, and that's how our group was born.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've distributed sanitary and hygiene products across all areas of the school for teachers as well as students. We've also participated in assemblies to do with sexual assault, sexual harassment and period dignity, as well as normalising periods for both males and females. We've also participated in meetings to do with Box Boyd with Treorchy Primary, was it?
Yeah.
And we've also worked with Tom Pentre Primary for school fates, and I think that was the Christmas fete, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our plan is to try and educate people as much as possible, normalise periods, educate on why sexual harassment is bad, basically create this open, safe environment for students to be able to come to.
And getting rid of stigmas and everything surrounding
stereotypes.
Yeah,
just aiming at different kinds of poverty, but it's just making sure that we can try and break the stigma for everything, really.
Yeah, like normalising it and explaining that it's okay.
Yeah.
And it happens.
For the future, we're planning of using the same group and basically going to other schools, using the same project that we do, student run, and giving out hygiene and period products. We want to implement that into different schools, as many as we can, and maybe also becoming part of the community to allow everyone to access it, so it's not just in schools as well, because we realise that periods and poverty in general is a major aspect of everyone's life, and I feel like breaking the stigma and implementing this into many different schools is allowing people to understand it more. So, anything else to add?
Yeah, so we're trying to make our products as gender neutral as possible, because the wider range of diversity that we have nowadays, so making them accessible for trans kids as well as non-binary kids, so that they don't feel targeted or feel like their period makes them more feminine. We want to be
rather
able
than
to,
like say like sandalwood for boys or like flowers for girls, we're looking for something in between where it can be like
accepted by both,
whatever they want to identify as, wherever they feel comfortable as, they can feel comfortable and still have free products.
Yeah, because a period doesn't necessarily mean that you are female, that you are a girl. If you have a period, it's normal, it's fine. You know?
Regardless of how you identify, you're still entitled to the exact same things as someone who identifies as a girl would be.
Yeah, so we're trying to make that accessible to
everyone.
The community, yeah.
I think it's good and good for the community.
I think it's absolutely fantastic because everyone needs stuff and some people don't get it.
I think it's good because it's a happy place for everyone to go as well.
I think the things the Shack have done is really good because it gives girls and boys freedom and it doesn't shame anyone in things we can't help.
I think this given opportunity to spread awareness about like giving supplies up for free instead of spending money, and making sure that people don't get shamed on for things that naturally happen. So I think they're doing a really good job.
So it's all supportive and it's nice that school is doing something for the staff and kids.
I think today's giveaway has been really positive. We've had more of a turnout than we had before. I think that's purely due to the advertisement that we've done, the work that we put in behind it, to show and let people know where these products are. So hopefully now when we do our next giveaway towards the end of the academic year next term, we'll have a bigger turnout.
I feel like the giveaway went very well. We targeted a lot of people today and we made sure that everyone had everything they needed for the holidays. For future plans, we're going to do basically the same as we did today, but make sure that we had certain products or other hygiene products that people looked for or needed. Yes, I want to say thank you to all the Shack members that did help out at this project. I also want to say a thank you to Amy from YEPS and Alan from YEPS. They also supervised this project today and they helped out as much as they could. I also want to say thank you to Treorchy Comprehensive School for allowing us to carry on with this project and to work as a group to make sure that we can end stigma about period poverty and to allow us to give out hygiene products to the students.